Jakcom R5 is a multifunctional smart ring that can replace 6 RFID cards at the same time. For example, access control card, elevator card, parking card, and other inductive cards. It has 2 NFC modules that can interact with mobile phones, like social sharing, smart trigger, and other special functions. There are 2 energy stones that can regulate human EMFs. The ring has 6 sensing areas. The position of one vertical line is the sensing area of number 1 IC card. The position of the 2 vertical lines is the sensing area of number 1 NFC card. The position of the 3 vertical lines is the sensing area of number 2 IC card. The position of the 4 vertical lines is the sensing area of number 2 NFC card. The white side is the sensing area of number 1 ID card. The black side is the sensing area of number 2 ID card. All sensing areas of the ring can be regarded as new blank cards. The setting method is also the same as that of ordinary cards. They can be added as new authorization cards at the issuing place of the original card. If you need to copy the original card directly to the ring, please use the Jakcom CDS replicator. In daily use, you can use the ring's different sensing areas through different gestures. Please turn on the NFC of your phone before setting the ring's NFC functions. iPhone users should confirm the phone's model before use. Only those iPhone launched after September 2018 support NFC function. For the first time, please search jakcom.com in the Facebook and then follow and enter this page. Click the sign up button and then click the Add Device. Input the corresponding activation code and then click your device name in the list to enter the function setting menu. After setting, use the well-set NFC module to touch the phone's NFC sensing area to start the function. Generally, the NFC sensing area is located in the non-metallic area on the back of the phone. When the ring function starts, if prompted to select an application, please select Web Browser.